The digital landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, and biometrics. These technologies, coupled with the pervasive influence of social media, are reshaping our world in profound ways. While they offer immense potential for societal progress, they also pose significant challenges to national security. Social media platforms have become the cornerstone of modern communication, shaping public opinion and driving cultural trends. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Social media platforms have become increasingly integrated into our daily lives, offering unprecedented connectivity and communication opportunities. However, this same connectivity has also created new vulnerabilities that can be exploited by malicious actors. As we look towards 2030, the intersection of social media and cybersecurity is a critical area of focus for national security. Social media algorithms often reinforce existing beliefs, leading to the creation of echo chambers and deepening of societal divisions. This polarization can be exploited by malicious actors to sow discord and instability. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being harnessed by both defenders and attackers. AI powered malware can become more sophisticated in evading detection and launching targeted attacks. The proliferation of connected devices creates a vast attack surface. Malicious actors can exploit vulnerabilities in these devices to gain unauthorized access to networks and sensitive data. While cloud computing offers numerous benefits, it also introduces new security challenges. Data breaches and unauthorized access to cloud based systems can have severe consequences. The increasing reliance on biometric authentication methods raises concerns about data privacy and security. Unauthorized access to biometric data could lead to identity theft and other serious threats. Moving forward, the convergence of social media, AI, AR, VR, and biometrics is creating a complex and rapidly evolving landscape. By understanding the potential risks and opportunities, we can work towards a future where these technologies are used to enhance national security while protecting individual freedoms. Let's look into today's headlines. Google to make Indian agriculture data driven with new tool. Google is soon launching the Agricultural Landscape Understanding, that is ALU Research API, a limited availability tool designed to make agricultural practice more data driven and efficient. This was announced at the Google I/O Connect Bengaluru 2024. The ALU API looks to address improving yields at farms, improving access to capital, and providing market access to farm products. The use of ALU information is already being explored by select partners like SkyMet, IIT Bombay, and the Government of India. Big Basket announces end-to-end SaaS-based supply chain platform BB Matrix. Big Basket has unveiled BB Matrix, the all-in-one SaaS-based supply chain platform that offers complete visibility across the entire supply chain to enterprises globally. It enables users and organizations to get real-time updates, quickly track bottlenecks, and take data-backed decisions to build resilient supply chains. The launch comes at a time when there is a robust demand for supply chain management software globally. BB Matrix is said to be capable of offering next generation supply chain solutions to cut costs and increase productivity. OpenAI introduces its cheaper and lighter model for developers, that is GPT-4o Mini. After announcing its most powerful AI model yet, that is GPT-4o, OpenAI has unveiled its lighter and cheaper model for developers. The new model, called GPT-4o Mini, costs significantly less than the full-sized models and is believed to be far more capable than GPT 3.5. With GPT 4.0 Mini, OpenAI is officially entering the light AI model segment. OpenAI claims that the lighter model can do a broad range of tasks with its low cost and latency. Microsoft's AI powered Designer app, available on iOS and Android. Microsoft Designer app is now generally available for both iOS and Android users with a personal Microsoft account. With the AI powered Designer app, the users can create custom images, stickers, and more using a wide range of templates. Users can also edit images using AI and restyle them or create collages of images. Editing images with AI in Designer app will let users restyle existing images or remove background, people, objects from images. Made for India, priced for India. Krutrim's new pricing strategy for Ola Maps. Aiming to boost and promote digital independence, Krutrim has rolled out a new roadmap and pricing strategy for Ola Maps. This new plan introduces a bunch of powerful APIs and SDKs specially designed for Indian startups, students, and developers. Ola terms this new strategy as Made for India and Priced for India. The announcement comes days after Google announced that it is reducing its Maps API fees by 70% for Indian developers and startups. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.